Hello, David again, MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2023 Sea Ray 21 SPX. We have a black side color, galvanized dual axle trailer, stone interior. Some more features up on top we'll take a look at. Okay, up here on the aft of the boat, we can see we have gray sea deck underneath my feet. Walk-through transom, there's a charge port back there to inflate rafts or tubes. As you step down into the boat, we have a rear sun pad, rear lounger and a backrest. Lift this up, we can see our sterndrive 250 horsepower Mercury or cruiser, 4.5 V6. Our anchor socket, anchor pole socket over here. Bimini top above my head. Infinity woven carpet under my feet inside the cockpit. On the port side, we have the port side lounger. This allows us to be on a 45-degree angle, all the way flat for a nice bucket seat. This boat was ordered with the upgraded Simrad screen, and also an upgraded sound system with subwoofer, amplifier, 5-channel, bow filler cushion, upgraded interior. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down and I'll show you the rest.